Tim, tell us about this machine, where the components come from, how you add value.
Yes. Of course, some of the machines we import major chunks because we're unable to really support the capital needs to do these things. Look at the boxways on here. The machines are huge. So I've elected
I'll get the
to put that kind of capital into other areas of development and import those major components. But we only import what we have to. In fact, if you look at the ball screws of this machine, we purchase them ourselves. We don't really want to lose control of the components or the quality, the important key parts of the machine. So we'll we'll purchase the ball screws, export them to the builder and have them install them. That's probably more work than we really should probably have to do, but the reality is we want to control the product quality. So you can see by looking at the machine, there's very few non-cast iron parts. We're bringing in basically the key major components which we can't produce here. Then everything else will be added here. The whole head
what are you going to do?
We're going to install a head on it with a spindle. We're going to put all the electrics on, the entire electrical box. All the servo systems come from Yaskawa. We'll build a whole control, and all the software development is, of course, built here. We'll do all the machine wiring. We'll put some of the metal work on here, and of course, once the machine leaves here, we'll be installing and starting it up.
And
supporting it. I would say probably the import component on this machine is probably under 50% when it's all said and done, because the more expensive items are actually being done here.
Okay, and so I'm curious about the freight on something like this.
Everything we designed this machine, we designed it to fit in a container.
Okay.
A lot of machines, if you just go over and sort of give me the pink one, give me the blue one, they don't fit in a container. I don't know how much you know about import duties, but interestingly, if you bring a casting in, not machined, it's zero duty. As soon as you touch it with a tool, it gets a duty. So you're going to see as we go through the plant, where we can machine it, we have them do nothing to it because it's sort of the best kept secret that this country really doesn't want to make cast iron here.
Yeah.
We want to import it. Otherwise, why would the duty be zero?